Seriously, this is like the best thing ever. Ever. Soul Visor, thank you so much. It protects you 100% from UV rays, so I can like wear it in the car so that the sun doesn't come in through the windshield. I mean, I might wear this damn thing to bed. Like, I may never take it off, and it's all thanks to Soul Visors and to this one. Just two girls sitting around in our visors. That's us.
What are you doing?
Doing my laundry.
Why are you wearing your visor still?
Why wouldn't I?
I left you like over 24 hours ago.
It never comes off. This is officially me now.
Sit-ups and bridges. Let's get to work. You ready? Okay, so we're going to show you from the side. Feet are a little wide with the door. Toes turn out just a little bit to the naturally version to your feet. We're going to go fast and furious, so just stick with us. Start with 6 reps of everything. Let's do this. Ready, guys? Sit back. 6 and press and squeeze. Good. 5. Sit nice and deep. You have 4. Squeeze your butt. 3. 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Help. Come on right now. Oh.
Excuse me, that was only 1 minute and 32 seconds. It's not time for a nap yet.